some of the reasons.
So what's your conversion rate?
Not yet.
Conversion rate is not on a discussion right now. Because what we are doing strictly here,
And I don't know how much
I will
price.
tell you.
Okay.
I will tell you. If you are not comfortable with it, it's a one-on-one. It's not something that.
No, of course, I understand.
It's a one-on-one. If I say, for instance, I say $1, and you are not comfortable with it, you say, but it's not business.
I get. I want to find out. Like now, let's assume I have here
Yes, there are
this 36 million.
There are phones.
If I want to pay in pie, how many am I going to?
Disregard those prices.
Okay.
For now, disregard it because of the dispensation we are. We only use this for the previous program.
Okay.
Because of the short notice.
Address location. The place you want the location and state.
We decided to, if you check here, it was Zodaco in our side.
Yeah.
We use it for Zodaco before.
Yeah.
So that one is subject to discussion because if, like I said to you, if it is a business between two people,
Yeah, of course.
forget about crowd. You look at my face, I said, this is the product, this is what you can do. And we both agree. When we are at the point where there's an agreement between both of us, business has taken place.
Yeah.
Transaction has taken place.
Sure.
Irrespective of whatever anyone feels about it, doesn't really matter. You understand? That is the way it is now. But if we are giving a particular rate and say, operate on this rate, it becomes a law. Then that has not.
It's subject to bargaining.
Yes.
Bargaining. Where is the location? Where are the
Locations is subject to your choice. You can. We have plots at Lekki. We have at
Lagos.
we have at what do you call it? After Lucky Fiber. Iliad, Ikon here. Then some other places in Lagos. If this is your choice,
That's going to be a protest from
and
next
we
year.
discovered that this is the place where we have land. We can buy a house, break it, do the structure as you so desire. Like someone just left here and is making a choice from Amu Odofi. There's no bush in Amu Odofi. It's obvious that you are going to buy a building. If you are asking for a duplex, that's okay.